Have you ever thought about the miracle of nature's recycling system, how fallen leaves and dead plants decompose, giving life to new growth? This is composting, nature's way of recycling, and it's something we can all easily do in our own backyards. Composting is a process that transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. Think of it as a magic trick where you turn your kitchen scraps and yard waste into a rich, dark substance known as black gold. This black gold is the superhero of gardening, bringing life to your plants and vitality to your garden. The benefits of composting are twofold. On one hand, it nurtures the environment by reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Did you know that around a third of what we throw away could be composted instead? Think about that for a second. By composting, you could be reducing your trash output by a staggering 1/3. On the other hand, composting is a boon for your garden. Compost enriches the soil, helping plants grow stronger and healthier. It improves the structure of the soil, helping it retain water, and it introduces beneficial organisms that help break down organic matter. So how can you start composting at home? It's simpler than you might think. All you need is a compost bin or a designated spot in your yard, a mix of green waste like vegetable scraps and coffee grounds, and brown waste like leaves and twigs. Start by layering your brown and green waste, and then give it a good turn every now and then to help speed up the decomposition process. Patience is key here, as it can take anywhere from 2 months to a year for your compost to be ready depending on your climate and the materials you're composting. For more guidance on composting, there are numerous resources available. Check out books like Compost Everything, The Good Guide to Extreme Composting, or The Rodale Book of Composting. Also, Mark from the YouTube channel Self-Sufficient Me makes several videos about composting. Websites like compostingcouncil.org offer a wealth of information, and your local extension service can provide specific advice for composting in your area. In a world where sustainability is more important than ever, composting is a small but significant step we can all take towards a greener future. It's the cyclical nature of life, a reminder that even in decay there is the promise of new life. The nutrients that were once part of the organic matter get a new life when turned into compost. So why not give it a try? Research the various ways to turn organic material into black gold. Maybe that's a composter you purchased, or one you built yourself. Your government agricultural outreach offices, as well as local gardening groups, can be of great help when you're starting out. Turn your waste into wonder, and your garden will thank you.